Subscribe to our channel Techy Pizza and also press the bell icon so that you can never miss any update from us. What's up fellows, my name is Ashmit from Techy Pizza and today I'm going to show you that how you can create the bell icon intro for your YouTube channel as you saw previously. So without wasting any time, let's spread technology. First of all, you have to go to your channel page and then click a screenshot before subscribing like this. Then you have to click another screenshot after subscribing like this. And then another screenshot after clicking the bell icon like this. And then you have to go to the app called Kinemaster and you can download it from the link given down below in my description, so don't forget to check it out. After you have opened Kinemaster app, click on the plus icon, then 16:9 and then a black screen will appear. Now you have to click on media, then background, and then select your preferred background, and I am using this one. So now click on tick. Now what you have to do this is you can go to layer, then click on image, then add the first screenshot which we have clicked like this one, and then place it anywhere like this. Now you have to click on tick and add another layer of image, which is, first of all, let's change the duration of the video. I will keep it 10 seconds long as it is the preferred size duration for your bell icon intro, and we will keep this screenshot just 3 seconds long. Now you have to again go to layer, then image, then you have to put a transparent phone case, and which is this one, and I'm using the iPhone X template. So here I will fit it just according to the size. I will also link this template down in the description below so that you can make this in an easy way. So here I have resized my image to fit on this mobile like this here. We can also do some more modifications to obtain a perfect one. Now let's see the preview of what we have got. Okay, so here we have got some simple animation, and now what we have to do is place the cursor after the first screenshot and then again click on layer, then again on image, then again upload the second screenshot. Now again place it like this, and as this is appearing on the frame, we have to click on these three dots and click send to back. And now let's resize this screenshot a bit so that it fits perfectly here. Now this has been done. You can also modify, as I told you earlier. I'm making this as my raw one to teach it to you guys, and now this duration will also be of almost 3 seconds. And then after you have done this, click on layer, then click on image once again, then add the final screenshot. Here you can see, and like this, place it on here, send it to back, and done. Okay, So here we have done this. Wait a minute. Yeah. Now we'll place it a bit aligned to other three screenshots and done. So let's take a preview once again. Oh yeah. And done. So this is the final 10-second video, and now we have to add some effects, like if one person is clicking on the subscribe button and the bell icon, we will go to layer, then text, then add the emoji of the finger here. Click on OK, resize it a bit and place it on top of the button, and then click on in animation, then scroll down a bit and just click on overall animation, I'm sorry, and click on squishing. Here it appears as if someone is pressing the subscribe button. Now we have to rearrange the duration of this text to align it with the first screenshot, and done. Now we have to add another text here. Same procedure. Okay, let's see here. Click on the bell. Okay, done. Overall animation, squishing, and done. Again we have to decrease the duration, and done. Now this is the final video we have got. Let me show it to you. And so now we can do further modifications, like we can add a layer of text like subscribe and press the bell, get updates. You can also put up your own text, so here at the center, and we will click on in animation, then click on I prefer letter by letter, and we can also increase the duration to the parent duration. Now we can also increase the duration of this animation. I will increase it to the 5 seconds. And here we can also add our voice over like this by clicking on voice, then clicking on start, just like this. Subscribe and press the bell icon, get updates. Just like this. You can also increase the volume up to by 200%, and also you can increase its effectiveness by enabling the compressor, and done. Now this is our final output. Okay, let me show it to you guys. Increase the volume, then click on play. Subscribe and press the bell icon, get updates. Here is the final touch we have got in our intro, and now we will click on share option over here, and then adjust the size of this intro, and then click on export, and voila, you have this on your device. So I hope you liked this video. If so, please like this video, subscribe to Techy Pizza if you are new, share this video with your family and friends, and also don't forget to comment down below if you have made your bell icon intro or not. So this was us missing from Techy Pizza, signing off.